students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to discuss about the board's examination ICSE class 10 and ISC class 12 regarding all the new instruction, new rules and admit cards. So without further delay, let's get into the video. So press release of ICSE states that remaining subject of ICSE and ISC year 2020 examination will be conducted of class 10 between 2nd July to 12th July and for class 12 between 1st July to 14th July. This release has an attached annexure with the revised date sheet. It has total 9 rules. First rule says that candidate must reach the examination center well ahead of time to ensure staggered movement and smooth entry to avoid overcrowding. So the first point says that all the board aspirants and teachers should reach the examination hall before the time so that slow and motion could be promoted and overcrowded could be avoided. Point number 2 says that candidate must maintain social distancing in their movement from the main school gate to the examination hall. So the social distancing must be kept in mind and should be executed from the school gate to the examination hall and not just only in the examination hall. Point number 3, during entry to and exit from the examination hall, candidates are advised to do so in staggered manner to maintain social distancing norms. So again, when a student leaves the examination hall after writing the examination, the social distancing must be kept in mind and should be followed. Point number 4, candidate must use the face mask cover and carry their own hand sanitizer. The use of gloves is optional. So here the use of hand sanitizer and face masks is compulsory and the student has to bring the both own and use of gloves are optional. Candidates are required to bring their own writing stationery, art material and avoid sharing the same with other candidates. So each candidate should be supplied with their own materials and there should not be any medium of change or exchange. Point number 6 says that candidates are required to carry their admission cards to the examination hall. That means that students are supposed to carry their admit card to the examination hall. So if you have kept your admit card somewhere else, please do find it before the starting of examinations, because point number 6 states that you must carry your admission card to the examination hall. Point number 7 says that in addition to the time indicated on the timetable for writing the papers, 15-minute time is given for reading the question paper. Point number 8, the question paper will be distributed to candidates at 10:45 a.m. to enable them to start writing at 11 p.m. Candidates need to strictly follow all the safety instruction at the examination center. So point number 7, 8 and 9 are common to us, but first few points are something new and we need to execute it while writing our examination and before and after writing the examination. For the video, I hope everything must be clear regarding all the points of examination, and all the best for your examination. You all have 40 days time prior to your examination, so you can use this time and make optimum of it. That's all for this video. Keep